Hello, that's Hill with a multi-tempo report, right with the rapid-fire version where we go Iñárritu, Iñárritu, y por aquí hay una zona de probabilidad, sí, de 20% en el momento y 20% en los próximos 5 días, sí. Y esta zona podría ser la futura tormenta tropical Tico. Sí, es la verdad. Y es todo en español para hoy. And then over to English, where this thing, after, the JTWC and the JMA disagreeing on whether it was a real thing or not, now both of them are saying that it is, Tropical Storm Podul, if that's how that is pronounced. So here is the satellite loop for this storm. So it may well have already made landfall. It's kind of, it basically looks like the center of circulation. Wherever it might be is probably over land at this point. But obviously most, or at least half the storm is over land. In Vietnam, they have a tropical depression warning in effect for this storm. So over here to this thing, which is actually the remnants of Tropical Depression 30, which started out about here and booked all the way through. So high chance of tropical cyclone formation per the JTWC. Let's see if we've got the satellite on this thing. If it ever loads. There you go. There is the remnants of Tropical Depression 30. Per the India Meteorological Department, they have a bulletin out for this thing, where the potential land hazards would be rainfall, squally / gale wind, sea condition, of course, and they've got the action suggested for this storm, the depression. So JTWC is still just calling it a probability area, but IMD basically tracking it as a storm. Because it doesn't have to officially be a tropical cyclone or not for it to cause problems to land. It could just be a whole bunch of rain, really, and not a cyclone at all and cause all sorts of problems. So that is what is happening. So the season over here is about to wrap up soonish, but 20% chance, man, very high. That's actually very high if you talk about the past few weeks, where it's been like nothing. Right. Speaking of where it has been nothing, now it's something. Now. That's a stutter. Anyhow, so severe thunderstorm weather related wise. That was a whole lot of words in the US today. Nothing. Nothing tomorrow. We're gonna jump ahead to the future to November 17th, where yesterday the area, this is why I always like to say, the area yesterday was about here. And now it's all the way over here. That's why when it's this far out in the forecast, basically, if you're, anywhere in this area, you should pay attention because the things obviously can change. So that is what the Storm Prediction Center is thinking is the threat area for November 17th as of now. So if you're in basically this area, you should be paying attention. Because even if you're not eventually part of the 30% area, you could end up in a 5%. And, there could be hazards and such. That's right. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. Wikowix is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.